This tutorial review will show you how to transfer videos from PC to iPhone camera roll or iPhone gallery. So the easiest way to send your computer videos to your iPhone is using Share It. So download and install the Share It app on your computer, then open it. Now open your Share It on your iPhone. Tap on this plus icon at the top right. Tap on Connect PC, Mac. And now on your computer, click on Show QR Code. And on your iPhone, tap on Connect PC, Mac. Then scan this QR code. Once it's connected, click on Files. And now select the video from your computer to send it. Tap on Open. And as you can see, the video is started to send from computer to iPhone. Once done, go to your Photos app and search for the video. So this is the video I just received from my computer. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.